alegría means a pleasure or a joy or cheerfulness, something like that. So, qué alegría verte. How lovely to see you. Escucha. Qué alegría verte. Hoy la clase es los meses del año. Okay, there are lots of canciones. We have enero, febrero, marzo, abril. The one to be careful with there is enero. It's the most different one. Enero sounds like an arrow, a chocolate bar. What type of chocolate do you have in January in Spain? An arrow. Enero is January. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril. Then we have mayo. Mayo is a difficult one because it looks like May, but think about it. AY makes I, so it's mayo. It's not mayo, it's mayo. And then J makes a H sound in Espanol. Mayo, junio, julio, agosto. September, November and December follow the same kind of pattern. Septiembre, noviembre, diciembre. Why? ¿Por qué? Is October the odd one out? No sé, but it is octubre. So you need to get used to that sequence. Septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. You know which ones are the difficult ones, the slightly more different ones. They are enero, mayo, junio, julio, septiembre, noviembre, diciembre. So tell yourself, I have to remember. You could maybe recite them to yourself. You know la secuencia. So you should be able to recite them. As long as you need it, keep the list in your back pocket. And then when you're walking, when you're washing dishes or doing housework, when you're in a queue, una cola in Espanol, it's a tail. When you're in a queue, recite these to yourself. It doesn't have to be out loud. You don't have to make everybody think que estás loco. And then when you want to use them, you can say hoy, which means today. Hoy es el 26 de noviembre. Hoy es el 26 de diciembre. Hoy es el 26 de enero. You see how to practice them? And we don't need to worry about the 26th. It's simple in Espanol, just use the number. Okay? Hoy es el 10 de febrero. And so on. You could also use your birthday to practice. Now, birthday is cumpleaños. Años, not anos. Anos is anuses. So, años, por favor. Cumpleaños is your birthday. Feliz cumpleaños is happy birthday, or cumpleaños feliz as well. So practice the dates, practice the months like this. Mi cumpleaños es el 15 de abril. Now, if you want to say his birthday or her birthday, you're going to use the word su. Su cumpleaños es el 15 de mayo. Su cumpleaños es el 15 de junio. And you see how you can just go through and use it as a drill. Nothing wrong with drills. They're not fashionable, but they do help you learn. So, I hope you enjoy practicing los meses del año, the months of the year. Los meses del año. Let's run through them one more time. enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. Muy bien. You can repeat it if you need to. Get it into your head. I hope that you enjoy the video. If you want to, then you can go to Pasos, página 53. Actividad 4 is simply listening to somebody, a native Spanish speaker, run through these months. So you might like to do that. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, it really helps me. Leave a comment if you'd like to. Y nos vemos aquí muy pronto. Gracias y hasta pronto.